Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shalu Punj, aesthetic and plastic surgeon at Spark Clinic, Noida. Today I'm going to discuss few common queries that patients have regarding liposuction procedure. Who are the good candidates for liposuction procedure? Before discussing that, let us first know what is liposuction. Liposuction is a surgical procedure in which fat that is present beneath the skin is removed through small cuts that we make in the hidden areas of the body. 3 points that we need to consider in a person who wants to undergo liposuction procedure. First, patient should be in good health. Second, patient weight should be near his ideal body weight. And the last point is, patient should have good skin elasticity, means skin should not be saggy. In case of saggy skin, if we remove the fat below that skin, the skin will become more wrinkly and more saggy.